life, them hold it down for a minute and when they walk 2 times, it kick up back. Big man, big dirty one, me a done in the jungle. No pussy test. When me say, come out, cause cheese are the best, cause no pussy test. You couldn't lock me off. You couldn't lock me off. Me no one wants to see my life. Me no one wants to see my life go down. But in a real life, one thing me use and get you agitated. Cause you come for me and this come for you. Yeah. Big one. God a God. Me say our Father God, me Chizzy Blase, never say our Father man. When you say our Father man can't buy science. Me go pa my knee, me are the one who say knee city. And when me got knee city, I ball me ball to God. Tanto me feed you. Tanto me feed you, tanto. Tanto me feed you. I wonder if the world understand this. Tanto me give you money. Tanto me give you money. Why would you want to do? Why would you want to see me die? Huh? But guess what? The whole land and know this is going in my life. And everybody can see you una the real fuckery. You been a walk tell blood clot people say, sorry God. You been a walk tell people say, me dead already. So you feel like you can't keep no funeral that makes sense to me. Me invent that. Watch it. The pampas you have your body a big one. Do this and win, no man. Me said, do this and win, and you know a fax me at all. I don't tell me not take off the pampas because it hurt nerves. Me hear you attack it on the life. This hurt nerves no blood clot. Funeral where everybody keep. Come with something. Come, cause I know me not see a boogie down on the dance floor a blood clot. I know. I don't see you boogie down on the dance floor. Big one, where you afraid? You afraid about to suck up the pampas like vacuum? Me ask, cause me no know. Me Chizzy Blase ask no blood clot. Why you afraid to put on what rightfully belongs on your underneath? Eh? Why? Because your body that so much coming like a blood clot vacuum. When you put it on it, I go suck it in. Can't take no call now, man. Me dey live. Eh? Big one. Come tell the people them more blood clot dirt a boogie down in your blood clot blood. Come and tell the dirt that pussy, me know me powerful. When I got some vital way for touch me, more bad no bitch. All this pampas, big one all this. All this pampas, big one all this. Big one have the body we are leak and afraid for put on him pampas. Big one, you need to put on your pampas no blood clot. Big one, when you put on your pampas, you reason with blood clot me. Me, you and the crew know your pampas. The pampas needed by your bottom. And it get you so mad. It take you in a depression. 3 days. 3 days, big one stay so wounded like a blood clot dead dog. Yeah, and you come out back today with a funeral all and outdated. Come again, big one. I did that cute. Your funeral dead, a beer dead in your... A beer dead! Me here in your funeral, big one. Me there by your live and me a watch. I mean I say nothing fancy about this. Nothing cute about this funeral. Alright then, let me see how I can approach it. You don't even give me nothing busy for blood clot move around with. You mad? Eh? Nothing at all. Be a dead body in your funeral. Me hear everybody mouth and a be a dead meat. Be a dead girl. Cause I live with a straight girl when me hear about she passing through. She dead no blood clot too. Cute and girly. Yeah. None of them can come for me. None of them can come for me because me name cheese. When you too wicked in the blood clot, you know, if you tell big one say, take heed. The pampas is something that's going to secure your little thinking body where you have loose. Put it on. I mean, no stop talk about the pampas because the pampas it nerves. The pampas eat a whole lot of nerves. Eh? Dirty, nasty body man. Put on your blood clot pampas. You're out there, your body loose. Yeah, drink alcohol. Them some of them don't make sense. You want to embarrass yourself. You want to embarrass the way your body will pluck right out. Thanks for the money. gun cute and girl. Me not see none of that touch over your village. Me not see none of that touch over your blood clot village, but emoji. Thank you for that money gun cute. Yeah, big one. Nothing about your big. You look big, auntie. Big one, Mr. One at a time. You can make the blood clot video drop on your foot. Big one, you work at cold ground. I've heard this, you know. You work at cold ground? No, me, I ask. You work at cold ground, man? You foot them dirty in a blood clot in America you live. You don't have water upstairs. No, you don't have any water upstairs. You need to go wash them big dirty blood clot foot there. You're big, stink and dirty. People look dirty. That is big. Stink. That is big one. And shark trade, me not even talk about you. Me not even talk about you because you have the worst deed, boy. Yeah. Shark trade, you see the man you are going to come for you, you're not going to carry run. And you know who you're going to fuck with because you call up the man name, boy. Yeah. Nurse this shark trade. Bogata, she that you know. Bogata, me feed you. Me feed Bogata. Why me never hard to people? Why? Why me never hard to people now? Look who there. Look there. 4 mackerel. And the 4 of them mackerel. I go so knock out the 4 mackerel them in here. And not even 1 month good. Why you do it? Remember right now the way you order something that tight and pay you look like a size 8. Only like my gaza, you know food on there. No food not get him out. Okay. So I decide to eat pan this cheese because I'm a form of protein. Okay, spit it out, bitch. Take me off your fucking blood clot tongue. Because this cheese is not the cheese, it's a blood clot show. You can digest this. Make me know if you can digest blood clot this. Can you digest this cheese? You cannot digest blood clot cheese, so I don't know how you want to come for me. You cannot. Deal with pampas. Deal with this. Big one, you got a hole. Big one, start out this. Big one. Why? Can somebody please help Big one body hole? Can the doctor and they have to do it? You can look off me. Which one on the dirty nasty side of my thinking dirty blood clot when I like beard? Cranny and ugly and favor chucking out. When you favor voodoo dolly, when you favor chappy dolly, when you favor dark shit. Me not ramp with. When you call me when you not come doing the deeds. Don't bother wait until me upstairs. Come up on the live and me hear the plan. If you call me and say me coming and me here. Make we boogie down the railway and the dance floor, bitch. Let's we put it on like it's out there. Cause that's no one the life sad. When the life sad in a blood clot. And you fool the life sad and nothing now going for uno. When you feel like uno and people are the same. Thirsty man. Hold on, I'm going into my good fridge for some water. Oh, I need one. I come win a blood clot back up on the shelf. Big one, you turn to a back up on the shelf, no blood clot. Long time in the drop and mash, and nobody not hear nothing about you know. A people close to not go far. No can't come for that cheese. I am the only cheese that talks. The only cheese that walks. And the only cheese was steady with him. I take no blood clots. Come out, all frauds. Come out now. Come out. I not forgot so hard. I say me alone and a 2 now and look how you go dirty. You go dirty. You could have lock off me. You crazy. You mad. Lock off which one of the cheese them. You mad no blood clots. You crazy no pussy clots. You naughty like big one dirty foot. Yuck. Yuck. When you come for me, I kill you slowly. When you come for me, I kill you slowly. Cute and girly, that fabulous. Yeah, girl, angle. Yeah. What about blood clot? None out of the 2 of you. Wanna feel like say, uno, We saw how someone dirty down and dusty blood clot secrets. Me cheesy blase for back down from. Remember a real truth me a little with now. When you say me dead down a me, I am alive and kicking. Hey, and cheese. What you say? What I do? I show me on the heart dirty in a blood clot. Cause I never did that for heat. The people, God are dirty, you know. Before now, you know that's something like you, that blood clot number, yeah. Listen. Dirt alert. Big one, dirt alert. 6 present. It's when my man the register and call out to the blood clot name. Come out. Come on, let me tick off on the blood clot off of here. I can use my eye. Good morning, student. All bag of dirt's coming out. Dirt alert. Ruan. Big one. Come out. Dirt alert. Chantel. Nasty wall stinker latter. Come out. I won't have to say no. Every nasty thinking dirty batty man and sad white to arise against me. I go clean up on the blood clot. Me I dash bleach for no. Cause you know no cleanliness, dog shit. You cannot make me feel no type of way. You lily. When me say, you think lily attention you want, you gonna get it. You want my attention, I'm gonna demonstrate to you one more time again and fucking put this in the back of your head. Big stinking one. This Pampers is to keep from, thank you. I see a hat, fabulous, nice. Big thinking one. When you put this Pampers on, it prevents you from that big batty hole of yours. This size your batty hole is, it will prevent it from when you go so inhale and when you exhale, it will prevent you from all that dirt running out. Big one, me and you know you lose. Big one. Oh no, job people son, no batty not tight. Period. Big one is the nastiest dirty cranny batty blood clot man ever there is. Big one is the worst dumper chop no blood clots. Tanto you the stinkinest butch ever. I'll raccoon fuck you, Tanto. Tanto aka Mogata Matic, you me attack. Yeah. Come and tell the crowd out all up to where you're coming here. And then right yes up in your little bedroom. Right yes, sir. Right there. You remember when the white woman, the way you ate that. Tanto. Why you hate me? You not go treat rough like you when we come America? Me didn't know about shelter. Me don't like people play so cocky, Tanto. In a real life. You remember when you did right here say you talk about the white woman who make you make the raccoon fuck out your hole? Eh? Allow me to tell Tanto. Thank you. Tanto.